near death. Running down the avenue, see how the sun shines bright in the city. The street where walls were spinning instantly.
A civil authority has issued a civil danger warning for the following counties or areas: New York City, New York, at 5:27 p.m. on September 25th, 2026, effective until further notice. Message from Sassy Plus. An unusual and dangerous situation is currently taking place. Reports of mysterious turtle-like creatures throwing abnormally large hammers at many residents on the streets of New York City have been received. It has now been confirmed that these creatures resemble the enemies known as Hammer Bros from the video game Super Mario Bros. These Hammer Bros have been causing massive amounts of panic in the streets of New York City. Over 571 injuries, 479 casualties, and 217 fatalities have already come into law enforcement. All residents of the city of New York City are to immediately seek an underground shelter. Close all doors that are in your shelter, and make sure that they are locked. Grab the only supplies such as food, water, clothing, medical supplies, and a battery-powered or hand-crank radio with extra batteries. Keep quiet in your shelter, as these creatures could find you if a hammer bro breaks into your home. Use armed protection by all means necessary. Please stay tuned to local station and media outlets for more information on this very dangerous situation.